Well, I just wanted to give a little update on the Bleish family farm. It's a little chilly today. Over here, we have some scraps from a local smoothie company. You can see the orange tint. That's probably a lot of carrot. Here's what remains of this load. We feed that to the chickens to supplement their diet. Here's the compost pile where they also get to eat from our kitchen scraps. This past weekend, John and the Center for Natural Living rented a bobcat thing, and they started digging hugel mounds. So each of these holes that you see that has been dug has sticks being placed inside, which is what is needed for huggelkultur. The wood in the bottom decomposes, which provides moisture during drought, heat during cold, and nutrients as well as natural irrigation. So this pile of dirt will be scooped back onto this wood along with compost and horse manure. So there's going to be 17 beds. You'll see there's a space in the middle that we're leaving open as a workspace. You can see the fence will be built where these strings have been placed on stakes to keep the chickens out. So that's what's going on over here. There's our pond that we need to line so that we can fill. We're also working on a pallet fence. You'll see that the pallets are being cut in half, and those will be turned into a fence. Lots of stuff in progress. Everybody looks pretty happy. We're still dealing with some storm damage from the windstorms the other day, but overall things are going pretty well. Here are some of the young pullets. They're out free-ranging full-time now. This is our Broody hen. She's been booted off her nest several times by other birds. So now she's back to the other side. She's been over there, over here, over there, back and forth. I don't know what of these eggs are good and what are not. So I am going to compost them all. And then we are going to find a way to seclude her with the eggs she's on now so that she can hatch them without being bothered by other birds. So anyway, there's the update. Here's the puppy. Oh, nice shot. He's getting big. We're in the barn right now. So anyway, all's well on the Bleish family farm. Just wanted to give an update.